I dreamed of millet. What does this dream mean? Explain plainly.
Okay, I'm a psychologist and I'll explain.
I had a dream about harvesting millet. Does it mean anything?
A dream about harvesting millet suggests that the time is approaching when your long-term efforts and preparations will bear fruit and you will reap the rewards. This dream reflects that your subconscious recognizes your current efforts and expects the rewards to appear soon. The reason you have such a dream is probably because of your strong desire to see your efforts and preparations bear fruit and achieve rewards. In real life, you must have been working hard to achieve your goals. This dream suggests that your efforts are not in vain and that you will see the rewards in the near future. However, getting rewards is only one goal. As a next step, it is important to think about how to use those rewards and grow further. The act of harvesting millet is also related to the desire for self-satisfaction and recognition from others. Everyone wants to be recognized for their efforts and achievements. This dream may suggest that you are concerned about comparisons and evaluations with others. However, the evaluation of others is only temporary, and the most important thing is your own satisfaction. By placing emphasis on your own growth and sense of accomplishment, rather than on comparing yourself to others, you will be able to live a more fulfilling life.
I see. I get it, thank you.
In this channel, I ask people who have had strange dreams to write about their dreams, and I will interpret them and answer them. Of course, it's free. If you like, please comment too.
I had a dream about eating millet. What does it mean?
A dream about eating millet is interpreted as a symbol of health, vitality, and life force. This dream suggests that you are in good physical and mental condition and teaches you that it is important to take care of yourself and maintain a healthy lifestyle. The act of eating symbolizes basic human desires and sources of energy. A dream about eating food that you find particularly delicious indicates that your desires and actions are in balance and that you are also fulfilled. Such dreams suggest that your performance at work or in interpersonal relationships is improving and positive energy is circulating. On the other hand, if you have negative feelings about food or worries about eating, you may find it difficult to eat food in your dream. In such cases, it may reflect frustration or stress in the real world. As the dream of eating acne indicates, if you are satisfied with your current health and lifestyle, it is important to take care of yourself and maintain healthy habits. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and enough rest can help you maintain your physical and mental health and bring vitality to your daily life. Also, a dream of eating delicious food indicates a state of balance between desires and actions. To maintain this state, it is important to be honest with your emotions and desires and satisfy them in the right way. If you dream of eating acne, you should actually try eating it in real life. The food that appears in your dream is something that your body is subconsciously craving. Eating millet in real life will directly fulfill your desires.
I see. I get it. Thank you.
By applying the messages from your dreams to your daily actions and decisions, you will be one step closer to achieving your desires and goals in the real world. Use the insights you gain from dream interpretation to pave the way to a richer and more satisfying future. If you have any questions or requests regarding dream interpretations, please let us know in the comments section. Maybe it will help you in your life. Dreaming about cooking with millet represents creativity, domesticity, and compassion for others. This dream suggests that you feel joy in creating something with your own hands and have a desire to share this joy with those around you. The act of cooking is a creative process that combines ingredients to create new value, and dream interpretations often indicate an increase in positive energy and luck. In particular, cooking with grains like millet symbolizes satisfaction and fulfillment in the home and daily life. Furthermore, the desire to provide joy to others through cooking reflects a caring and service-oriented heart for others. These desires indicate a desire to value social connections and communication, and to deepen relationships with the people around you. Advice from this dream is to actively engage in creative activities and find joy by trying new recipes. Cooking is a great way to express your own creativity and share joy with the people around you. Also, valuing meal times with family and friends and deepening communication with them will give you a sense of fulfillment. Furthermore, acting with consideration for others will make you feel happy yourself. It is also a good idea to look for opportunities to contribute to society, such as volunteering or participating in local events. Overall, dreams about cooking with millet reflect your creativity, domestic side, and consideration for others. By valuing these desires and acting proactively, you will be able to live a more fulfilling life. In reality, millet is a mass of energy. Eating or obtaining millet in a dream represents the desire you want to satisfy right now, appetite.
Similarly, a dream about buying millet represents a desire for millet. If you can't get millet right now, try other foods. And the state of the millet in the dream represents your level of stress. A dream about watching millet ripen indicates that you are working toward your goals and making steady progress. This dream suggests that your efforts will bear fruit and you will see good results in the near future. The growth and harvest of crops generally symbolize effort, achievement, and prosperity. In particular, the scene of millet ripening indicates that your current efforts are progressing well. This means that your efforts in various areas, such as work, school, and personal projects, are beginning to bear fruit. This dream indicates that your subconscious feels that all your efforts so far have not been in vain. However, you need to be careful. While feeling the joy of the harvest, you need to be vigilant and maintain a responsible attitude until the end. It is important to continue making consistent efforts to achieve your goals without letting up along the way. You are required to look back on your efforts so far and move on to the next step with confidence. You can gain further motivation by recalling your past successes and achievements and reaffirming your strengths and abilities. Also, accepting and being grateful for the support and cooperation of those around you will improve your relationships. As for advice for the future, it is recommended that you continue to act toward your goals in a planned manner and adapt to changes with a flexible attitude. By actively incorporating new knowledge and skills and promoting self-development, you will be able to achieve even greater results. It is also important to remember to take appropriate rest and refresh yourself to maintain a balance of mind and body. Eating millet or getting millet in a dream represents the fulfillment of your desires that you want to fulfill now. If you are eating millet in real life and you dream about it, you are in a very good state now. Believe in yourself and try a new job. Now is the time when you have more power to earn money. Dreams about millet are related to your money. If you dream of eating millet, it represents your financial worries going away. You are in a very good mental state at the time.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like it, please click the good button. Please also subscribe to our channel. Then you will also be able to learn about dreams on this channel. If you have another mysterious dream, please watch this channel. Thank you.
Psychologist explain.
Dream analysis make you happy.